This video guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacking extension called FoodsIdea. FoodsIdea is a new browser hijacking extension attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This particular extension, FoodsIdea, may operate as a browser hijacker, and it would change the default search engine without your permission. Definitely you need to get rid of it from your Google Chrome browser. So to remove this extension and other junk extensions, access the menu, go to Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions, and so remove this extension from the list. Finally, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start carefully researching the system to detect and eliminate other infections from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.